Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all text correction options available on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then you need to scroll all the way down and choose Additional Settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Keyword. Over here, just click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!